Now let me tell you. Maundu maria maige ona Kristo ahunjagia ri. Tondu regikarete gitaha ngikwiraga ri. Na tondu kaingi na maundu macio tutithomagirwo ri. Na tutifundithagio na kuria makanitha-ini no amenya kanitha gicunje kia 90 gikihunjagia prosperity ri.
Ora tuguikaraga na tugutonga.
Na ukwira uria Ngai akunina thu ciaku.
Yes.
Iria imaginary na iria riru. Na uria urikaga ati uria iriukaga na njira imwe igatuikaniria njira mugwanja. Rero maundu maria makiri kuo. Ozo mo makihunjagio. Maundu maria mabata, by the way, they are not taught. You know the reason why? Because they are very difficult to teach. And the third wake ni tondu ono ri ora kuhunjirio na kedangota kuma practice. They are difficult.
Yes.
Taleke gwire kata. Maundu mage makome marito. Tari ore Kristo igaga ati love your enemies. Ati ore wendete. In fact, na maandiko macio I try to think they are in Matthew. I think it is Matthew. Ore jua ndugiaga tuthu.
Miakera jikarite
thĩ. Ndugiaga tuthu tauburia mathaa 5 hau. Miakera uikarite thĩ ndugiaga tuthu. Au maigite ugo muhoyo matikoe.
We talked about them. Ni mothe kana ina twari cioro.
Tiacio.
Aya malagire.
You advances. Au mundu agira igate de maigite ugo matinjuya ci.
Ena kandi yao.
Ndimetereire uguo. Mandegire ndi mwana ke makanyonekanira ndi mukuru.
Nanie. Ato asewadia.
Tarabote thiri.
Mati dano.
Tarabote thiri. Ano eka undu kaiga ke gabono hau. Bote thiri. Awe ndi glad she.
Yes.
Amekusalimia akiwa kule Kariubangi. Na jona mwagi koba nake gani twagithio ni staff athika Poro Center. Adikete Poro Center Kagio. Akiga akora mandirie mitambo ya kameme.
Yes.
Na niguonete mundu gwitwo munyo wa machinery. Hata alikuwa amekusalimia sana.
Yes, mathayo 5.
Tathoma 43.
Ni muiguite ati ni kweranirwo endaga mundu wa itura rianyu no thurage mundu wi muku nawe.
Ati wendage
mundu wa itura rianyu no na uthurage mundu wi muku nawe. No nie ngumwira atiri endagai andu aria mari muku na inyue na muhoyagire aria mamunyariraga. Tariu ni ta guturia maru for now. Uhoere your MP. Yes.
Niguo Kristo araiga. Tondu MP amwe ni matunyarire muno.
Maundu maria mathi kuhitũkithia kuria bunge.
Of course. Finance bill.
Yes.
Ati Kristo araiga atia?
Ni muiguite ati ni kweranirwo. Endaga mundu wa itura rianyu.
Endaga mundu wa itura rianyu.
No thurage mundu wi muku nawe.
Yes, anyone. In fact, igweciria Biblia ya githungu ri. It is very categorical. Tondu ngweciria yugaga atiriri no yakiria. Ngurorere na eno ya raithi. Turathoma ki?
Mathayo 5
yugaga 5:43.
Yes.
Irauga atiriri. You have heard that it was said. No, it was said. You shall love your neighbor and hate your enemy. Mundu we muku nawe is your enemy.
Yes.
But I said to you, love your enemies.
Yes.
And bless those who curse you. Do good to those who hate you. And pray for those who spitefully use you and persecute you. No, this is difficult. Wanakenega ukiteka hora. Lokiturania maundu ma mothe hamwe.
Andora makunyariraga.
Taigwe. I said to you, love your enemies. Bless those who curse you.
Lazima aria makurumaga.
Do good to those who hate you.
Aria makumenete kiririria kumeka wega.
We are going to hell.
Mbinguni ni mbali.
Baya sana. We tajira ndiriri. You tell me. Muhunjia wanyu wa prosperity ekuhunjiria.
Ndage kuhunjiria.
Tage kihona.
Ndage hunjia.
Tondu hariri is also fallen short of grace.
Yes.
Ekuraihu muno muno na kwata kuingithia maundu maya. To kanitha-ini tuigua nginya andu maingatagwo. No anyita. Kanitha-ini ni tui maundu mangi maria mathia na mbere. Na araiga ati and pray for those who pitifully use you and persecute you.
Muhagire aria mamunyariraga.
Yes. We tajira. Tajira ukawera mundu regete na mbia ciaku.
Kumuthanikiriria kumurathima kiririria kumutuma athereme.
We ora endo ciana ciaku ni kurarira irararira.
Atigire icigo ici itingima kigorogoru. Kigoka ukaigua gioka kiahinga habimero.
No muhoeire wina cio.
Wacinyita.
Ticio. Ora ngai atumite wona ingi.
Yes.
No ti ciana ciaku ikirarira. Ati umuririkane. Taigue kwa njorerwa atiriri ati bless those who hate you.
Yes.
No, who curse you. And do good to those who hate you. Ana we kamundu nagaguthuire kamundu kau.
Yes. Wakarathima.
Wacho kaigua ni karwaru ati ukoyo gatware thibitari. Kwa kwenda.
Uba.
Kwena ngari cia twira taxi cia online. Akombore. Nawe na iguru.
Atuendi.
Na nwe mundu ucio by the way. Thiini wa gacira kari gaku. Arutire uira waro wa maheni.
Nwe warugamire.
Na
nwe ona watumire nginya judgment ya jaji kire atuire.
Yes.
Ni akuotire. Uira uria aheanire wa maheni.
Ta imagine. Toto uria mundu gwitwo wa karangatha. Augaga ngaiga ona ucio mwe wanjitira athuri acio ucio rathua.
Ucio murume guo.
Ni murume guo ucio. Na Biblia raiga ati umwike wega.
Kireriria kumuhoera no murathimithagie.
No murathimithagie. Na ungigakora hatikaire.
Yes.
Muhature. Aice. Yes. Gwe maundu tangihota kuhunjiria andu. You have to have a heart of an iron heart.
Yes.
Nigetha hote kuhunjia umahingurire maitho. Tondu gatagati ka were ambao washirika wako.
Yes.
Kuna wengine wanakujua hata zaidi.
Ona ukithie guthoma muhari ucio ni marayuga.
Wanakufahamu.
Wanakujua.
Wanakufahamu vizuri.
Yes.
Sasa itakuwa gumu. Sasa na wewe kulingana na hayo maandiko unaona uko wapi? Mukiwa na Muthoni.
Mbinguni ni mbali.
I'm telling you. Ona Muthoni iko aja ni live. Aramenire jai ha mitambo-ini. Live. Koguo Muthoni mathaa 40 ithano 43. Na 44. Does not apply to you. It's showing you very well.
Yes.
That you are going to hell.
Hatuendi.
Unless you change your mind, you're going to hell. Hey. Maandiko we. Nagutiga eno horo ucio turute wira uria turehire muhutha.
Ndagwiciria uguo wambe murajangarire.
Uthie kurira.
Njuke hangi kiuraga.
Tondu riu ri
arikana mundu njui andu.
The Kristo right. Na in fact how kiandari ona kono wathoma no thome na githungu ri. Yugaga atiriri weka maundu macio mothe ri that you may be sons of your Father in heaven.
Yes.
For he makes his sun rise on the evil and on the good and sends rain on the just and on the unjust. Tarikereria 45.
45 ikauga nigetha mutuike ariu a ithe wanyu uria wi iguru tondu ni atumaga riua riake rirathire andu aria oru ona aria ega.
Yes.
Ningi ni oiragiria mbura aria athingu ona aria aganu.
Koguo ri outright you know that you don't belong to heaven.
Yes.
Because heaven will be occupied by the sons.
Yes.
Of the Father who is at in heaven. Yeah, and wiritwo atiriri wiritwo when you do this wanyita you will be sons of your Father in heaven.
Yes.
My friend, I tend to think that this is difficult psychology and theology.
This is theology that
plus spirituality.
That needs somebody who will go deeper.
Yeah, of course, there isn't going deeper here. It's just.
Oh, you don't just come here and threaten us.
No, you are being told to do good to those who hate you. What is there? What is difficult there? Ni nini gumu hapo?
It is very hard. No, hiyo ni maana ya juu, maana ya ndani.
Wacha nikusomee maana ya ndani. Kwa sababu inaonekana Kizungu na Kikuyu inakukwaza. Wacha tuende kwa Kiswahili. Tusome kwa Kiswahili ndio uone ya kwamba wewe na shetani
tire ndo nake no uri ndaigua hau ri
mutwaranite bumper to bumper ona kira gakoria kawiha
ramaje ka uruthiria kumeka wega
augo komago abekisho na matirathie kundu
akamaguragira
owe mekisho they are going nowhere madhathiri fera hau ati mmesikia ya kwamba imenenwa umpende jirani yako na umchukie adui yako, lakini mimi nawaambia wapendeni adui zenu, waombeeni wanaowaudhi, ili mpate kuwa wana wa Baba yenu aliye mbinguni, maana yeye huangazia jua lake waovu na wema, wanyeshea mvua wenye haki na wasio haki. So the thing is here, ili mpate kuwa wana wa Baba. So you have to love your enemy and do good to them, even those who have not paid you. After you read the money.
Then they are not paying, and then I continue praying.
You see, you can be able now to gauge yourself where you are headed.
And also, then if they have not paid back and they want more, and I continue.
Okay, kwa karubeta tha ici ndio ramenya.
Nikamenya ni gake kau.
Utana koma reke ngikuririkanie